Hi, my name is Bridget Cheetham. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Brother ScanNCut mat to replace the stickiness and keep it living longer. This mat's in pretty bad shape because I cut a bunch of graduation cards using it. I used my Brother ScanNCut to cut the two background colored mats. This is a custom background paper that I designed in Photoshop. The word grad in its outline and the graduation hat were designed in ScanNCut canvas. And the congratulations was printed on my laser printer and inked in white. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take the top shield cover off of my mat. And you can see that the stickiness is almost gone. There's hardly any left on it. So first step is you can, if you want to try and remove any like pieces of paper with a mat, but actually I think that the baby wipes will take care of that. So you want to take some non-alcohol baby wipes. This is one brand, and the way to determine if they have alcohol in them is to look for the back, on the side or in the back, and you'll see something like free of alcohol. Or here's another brand of baby wipes. Once again, usually it's on the back, and these say alcohol free. So you know that there's no alcohol in them if they say free of alcohol, alcohol free, or something like that. If you don't find that, then don't use it because it will have alcohol. And you should not use rubbing alcohol or alcohol on your mat. So let's go ahead and get started. I usually work in quarter sections just by rubbing the mat with your wipe. It'll start to come clean. See, that piece of paper came off with the baby wipe, and this is what I've taken off so far. Pretty interesting, huh? Tells you how dirty these mats get. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next three sections, and I'll pause this so you don't have to watch it all. So I think I'm going to use one final wipe to go over the whole mat. It's not going to be perfectly clean. Sometimes you just can't get it that way, but this is going to be fine. But I'm going to clean it just one more over the top here. So I see this didn't come off, so I'm going to try and scrape it off with my little spatula. Here we go. And maybe use a spatula on these guys. Still getting stuff off. Alright, so I think that does a pretty good job there. So, this is much better than it was before. As you can see, it's not in perfect shape, but it's better. Looks like this is actually, the stickiness is actually gone from this area, but that's okay. So what you want to do is let it air dry. Do not use a towel. That'll just leave more lint on the stickiness. And in a little while you'll get your stickiness back. And then once it's dry, put that cover back on top of it and store it that way. One tip, try and do this every time you use your ScanNCut mat. It will help extend the life of the mat and keep bringing the stickiness back. Alright, thank you for watching my video and have a good day.